drowning in the endless ocean of products on Temu and wishing you could easily add them to your Shopify store? Well, today, I'm going to show you a simple workaround for adding products from Temu to Shopify. No direct integration needed, but a process to get those products into your store fast. First, find the product on Temu that you want to add to your Shopify store on the product page. Start by copying the product title. Now, head over to your Shopify admin panel and navigate to Products. Then click Add Product, paste the title you copied from Temu into the title field. Next, return to the Temu product page and carefully copy the product description. Make sure to grab all the important details. Paste the description into the description field on your Shopify product page. You might want to reformat it a bit to match your store's style. Now, download the product images from Temu. Right-click on each image and save it to your computer. Ensure you get multiple angles and clear shots. Back on Shopify, in the Images section, upload all the images you just saved. Drag and drop them for easy organization. Pay close attention to the pricing and available variants on Temu, like size, color, or style. In the Shopify product page, go to the Variants section and add all the options. And of course, set the price for each variant. Ensure the prices are competitive, considering Temu's low prices. Finally, review all the information: title, description, images, price, and variants. Then, click Save. And there you have it. The product is now listed on your Shopify store. Remember to optimize your product descriptions and images for better search visibility and customer engagement. Now go forth and conquer the e-commerce world.